the whole female reproductive system from a front view as opposed to a side view, right? So we're in the front. So this is the vagina here. This extends down. They've cut it off, right? So there's the vagina. This is the cervix. This is the whole uterus. That section up here is the fundus. The fundus is here. The cervix is here. The rest of this is body. These tubes that stick out, of course this one's been cut off, but these are the uterine tubes, or they used to be called fallopian tubes. Now they're uterine tubes. They come all the way down. Here's the fimbriae down here. This is an ovary, and there's the ovarian ligament right there.
That's better.
Yeah.
Label it there.
Yeah, this one's easier to see than on the other one. So, and then within the ovary, I did mention a couple of these structures. Didn't I talk about the, I don't remember which one's which altogether now. These are the oocytes, are what they are. And remember, as the oocyte develops from a primary oocyte to a secondary, it forms this little fluid-filled chamber that's called the antrum.
This is it.
Yeah, that's the antrum, is that chamber. The ovum is that structure right there. The antrum is that structure, and this whole thing is called an oocyte. All right? So you can see the antrum starting to develop there. And then, of course, this is ovulation, is what's happening here. There's the ovum is being released out of the ovary right here at ovulation, and it's going to make its way up into here and probably be fertilized up in here if there's sperm present. But right here is ovulation, and that antrum structure becomes the corpus luteum, which is what this is. The corpus luteum, if you get pregnant, if there's implantation, the corpus luteum produces hormones. If there is no implantation, the corpus luteum becomes this thing, the corpus albicans, and it's literally reabsorbed by the ovary. So this is just oocyte development here. It shows the oocyte developing an antrum, ovulation, and then forming a corpus luteum. And then this, you only get one of these corpus albicans, if there is no fertilization. If there is fertilization, the corpus luteum stays around and produces hormones.
Are you doing any extra terms in
Nope, everything I covered last week is and this week before.